BIM software, ArchiCAD, in my experience, really fosters collaboration.
In BIM, you see the project in its current form. This was our opportunity where we can excel.
Everybody on the team is able to see what the building's going to look like when it's built. Everybody on the team has the ability to raise a concern if they don't like what they see in the model.
Having these tools that show the complexity of a design up front and then open the door to new ideas, new questions, new suggestions.
4 years ago, we said, we know we're efficient compared to others. What's the next step?
BIM actually forces you to think of the building as one element because it is one model. That's been a big benefit, just thinking about a building as one thing.
We're all in the model together. Everyone is in the loop, in the know. That's been a really great enhancement of our culture.
We're forced to all work together in a holistic way, in a solid model that we can all see those movements happening together.
And the nature of design is such that things change every hour, every day. We always see the latest version of the model, and we can always capture inputs and update our designs quickly. And then it's shared automatically to people. It's a very efficient way of collaborating.
You can have more people providing viable, real information into models, into a central hub where other people can get to it.
What you're building now is a body of knowledge in the design, get you to a point in the project faster and sooner that's more holistic. And so then when you get to the CDs, it's simply documenting what's in the model.
In the past, we had to rely on the thickness of our lead to say this is accurate. Today, we know that all of those dimensions are 100% accurate. And if we can get the contractors involved up front, we're given the opportunity to think something through 2 years in advance.
Now having OpenBIM, now having IFC, we can exchange the entire building in a way that we weren't able to before.
I think there's a BIM myth in interoperability being a hiccup or an obstacle. I have never had a consultant say, I can't use this or this doesn't work.
The structural engineer can see your model. The structural contractor can see your model. The general contractor can see your model. ArchiCAD has definitely been a competitive advantage for us.
Autodesk, they don't really want to play with anybody else. And ArchiCAD is great. You can take it from a 3D model, I can link it with my schedules really easily, and then we can go to the virtual reality, which is the next component.
Now we're walking through the space in real time in a coordination meeting where everybody can see the impact of their trade.
We can plug and play that, we can click, we can pick, we can run clash detection, we can make all those changes digitally when the cost is insignificant.
If you can build it 2 times and one time it really didn't cost anything before you build it in the field, you're going to save money. Everybody building it's going to save money. We're going to build it more efficiently.
15% of the project's budget goes to rework. And BIM enabled us to lower that number into something that's single digit.
When I run clash detection for the first time, usually it pulls up tens of thousands of clashes. That's a game changer.
We find out 99.5% of the issues, and then the construction just goes smoother. So then we find ourselves building projects in record time.
We're not a huge firm, 35 to 45 people, but we're able to produce multiple 60-plus story buildings at any time because of the efficiency of Graphisoft.
In our case, we like to venture more in technology. We've invested in a software writing division, automating our documentation process, linking it automatically to specifications. It will automatically generate documents based on a very detailed BIM model. 6 months of work we can do in 2 days.
It's encouraging and it's exciting. I don't think at this point that we'd ever go back to any other means of developing our projects. To me, it just makes better business sense to be confident in the output that will make some profit for you, but at the same time keeps a client informed far beyond what they may have expected.
The way that we've always envisioned ArchiCAD is that it's simply a tool. Simply a tool to be able to leverage the skills and the unique inherent talents that all of our team members have.
We're having low-level architects on a project start to have a much greater understanding of how one decision we're making as an architect is impacting other trades and a much greater global sense of a project.
The level of collaboration and accountability is going to continue to grow and be huge. That's when the magic really starts to happen. That's when buildings are designed better. They better meet the functions of what the owner needs.
It's the same feeling that I had when we committed to go to BIM. We felt that is the next big step for us.
This isn't about hard and fast rules. It isn't about contract requirements. It's about collaboration, accountability, and building a team.
And a lot of people are going to try to bring challenges to that. And our